Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Anna. Today we are going to do a little more English grammar. Today we will review the future with going to. If you did not already watch the first video, please watch that video first. It's called The Future with Going to. That video will help us to understand this practice. One of the things we need to remember when we talk about the future with going to is using the to be verb. So the first practice today, we have to complete with the correct form of the to be verb. Remember, the to be verb is like am, is, and are. So we have to complete these sentences using am, is, or are. I want you to try by yourself first. Please stop the video to try by yourself. All right, let's check our answers together. Let's read our sentences. I am going to walk in the park tomorrow. So remember, for I, we need to use am. You are going to walk in the park tomorrow. For you, we need are. He is going to walk in the park tomorrow. She is going to walk in the park tomorrow. It, maybe the dog, is going to walk in the park tomorrow. So for he, she, and it, we use is. We are going to walk in the park tomorrow. They are going to walk in the park tomorrow. So for we and they, we need are. So that's a little review with the to be verb. We need to know the to be verb to help us use going to for the future. Now let's do a little more review of going to for the future. Here I have 5 more examples. Maria is going to work tonight. So Maria is our person. Then we have the to be verb. Then we use going to for the future. Work is the action. And tonight is a future time. Let's read the other examples together. The students are going to take a test tomorrow. The dog is going to play outside after lunch. I am going to visit my friend next weekend. You are going to travel next year. Now we're going to do a little more practice to see if we remember the 2 future tenses of English. So we are going to make 2 future sentences about the people we see in the pictures. We will tell what the people will do tonight. Here is the first picture. Can you think of 2 future sentences to tell what these people will do tonight? Here is an example. We can say, they will cook dinner tonight. Remember, the first way to talk about the future is will plus an action word. The second way is with going to. They are going to cook dinner tonight. Two ways to write the same thing. Let's try another one. Please stop the video for a minute to try by yourself. All right, here are two possible future sentences. He will watch TV tonight. He is going to watch TV tonight. Those mean the same. Two sentences for the future. What about this one? Stop the video for a minute to think by yourself. All right, here are some answers. She will read tonight. She is going to read tonight. Let's try one more. Make two future sentences. All right. They will exercise tonight. They are going to exercise tonight. What about you? Can you write two future sentences about what you will do tonight? Here are my examples. I will call my friend. I am going to call my friend. So remember the two ways in English to talk about the future. We can use will plus an action word, will call, or we can use the to be verb plus going to plus an action. I am going to call. See if you can try to write two sentences about you. If you need to, go back and look at the examples again. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.